Welcome to Science Excel, where our motto is to enhance the learning curve. In today's tutorial, let's explore the concept of respiration and breathing. As we observe the on-screen images of people involved in various activities, the one thought that crosses our minds is how do we manage to perform so many different functions day in and day out? Well, let me introduce you to a storehouse of energy, our body. So how does our body derive energy to perform all these activities? I'm sure most of us know that this energy is generated from the food we eat. In order to derive energy from it, the food needs to be broken down, and this process requires oxygen. This chemical process in which the food is broken down with the help of oxygen to release energy is called respiration. Now, how do you obtain this oxygen needed by your body for the process of respiration? This occurs by the amazing process that we call as breathing. The process of inhalation and exhalation of air is called breathing. Inhalation is the taking in of air inside the lungs, and exhalation is the movement of air out of the lungs. When we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. Breathing happens involuntarily. Now, I would like you all to ponder and tell me, is breathing and respiration one and the same? You're absolutely right if your answer is they are different. Breathing purely is the exchange of gases and does not involve the breakdown of food molecules inside the cells. Whereas respiration is deriving energy from the food molecules with the help of oxygen, which is obtained in the process of breathing. Hence, breathing is a part of respiration. Now let us understand the types of respiration. Respiration can be classified on the basis of the location where it occurs. There are three types of respiration: external, internal, and cellular respiration. External respiration is also called as breathing, which is the exchange of gases with the external environment. It involves getting oxygen into the lungs and releasing carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Internal respiration is the exchange of gases with the internal environment. When the oxygen from the air reaches the lungs, it gets transported to the blood. The oxygen then travels throughout the body and is delivered to the cells. Similarly, the carbon dioxide is taken away from the cells to the blood, and from the blood it is given out into the lungs, which travels through the nasal area to be expelled from the body. Cellular respiration is the process in which the food is broken down into energy with the help of oxygen. As this process takes place inside the cells of the body, it is called as cellular respiration. We encourage you to explore the summary created as a brain-friendly mind map, which provides a quick insight into what we have learned. The following assessment is the key to gauge what we have imbibed. Kudos to you if you have managed to answer all. If not, revisiting the tutorial will help reinforce concepts.